So guys, this is our GBP JPY. So let's start from the movement on our daily time frame. We'll see this movement, right? We can see that once it was ranging with this level, we saw it come to this resistance level, which is the top, right? And we see it drop to this our support level, which is the bottom. We also know that once the price is ranging, right, and price tends to break out of the range market move. Of course, a pullback must occur to test that level. So we saw that this price was hitting our resistance level, then to drop down to the support, then to go to the resistance level. And we saw that this price broke above the resistance level, right? Of course, we need a pullback to come to test that resistance level. So it is exactly what we are having. Now, if you take a look at this movement, this is one of the reasons we are going bearish, right? We saw it happened, and today we've actually gone bearish. Yesterday we actually opened and closed bearish. Day before yesterday we actually opened and closed bearish. Now the question is the bearish move over? Well, I don't think so. I think the bearish move should be over at 166. So let's see the bearish move drop to this same level. We saw price has reacted here, right? We saw this price reacted here. If you see level that price has reacted to, right, you see this price has reacted. Note that if price has reacted to a level previously and price is dropping and it is close to that level, there's high possibility or probability that that price will drop to that same level again and react there. So we saw this price reacted at this level, right? We saw it react at this level here, right? We also saw it when it dropped, pushes up, it came to test this level. So of course we'll be expecting this price to drop to this same level. So currently now, from here to this same level, we still have about close to 300 pips to be made. I mean, if you have to short your GBPJPY, then there is no problem about it. So GBPJPY we would want to see a bearish move. And now let's see what this 4-hour time frame actually says. So we know we want to short it, right? So we would want to confirm it on the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour time frame says we are on a bearish move. Assuming the 4-hour time frame was on a bullish move, right? The advice would be that just stay out of this trade. No, do not place your trade yet, but it is on a bearish move, one, and it is below our 10-period moving average. So possibly you can wait for a pullback to occur on this GBP before you enter to short this price. So we kind of closed bearish, right, yesterday. Today too we would also close bearish. Even the next day, which is on Friday, we would also expect to close bearish on our GBP JPY. So we should see drop to a level of 166, at least a level. We should drop to this level of 166 and even break below it. So within today and tomorrow, we should be able to hit this level. That will be giving us about 150 pips. And if possibly just further down to this 165, then we will be grabbing about 300 pips. But let's grab about 150 pips down to a level of 166 first before we can think of making any other movement on GBP JPY. Now let's see what this JPY index says. So take a look at this JPY index. We all know that as this JPY is giving us a bullish move, any other pairs we are trading to our JPY will definitely give us a bearish move. One of the reasons why we are seeing a drop, a bearish move on our GBP to JPY is because our JPY is on a bullish move. So we will definitely see this bullish move to this level. We saw price has dropped to this level before it reacted by giving us a pullback, right? We saw price drop and gave us a pullback to test this level, right? The drop now, it is rolling up. We're very much likely to see it to come up to this level. So as it is giving us this bullish move, we would be getting a bearish move on our GBPJPY. So GBPJPY, we are still on a bearish move.